Soil water erosion, a presentation by Jeff Dull. Soil erosion, a naturally occurring process of wearing down landforms by combined actions of gravity, water, wind, and other forces. Water erosion is the largest contributor to land degradation at 56% of all global soil erosion. Causes of erosion: fire, climate change, agricultural management, and river management. Soil water erosion on-site effects. These are the effects felt on the site of the disturbance. Examples of on-site effects include reduced soil quality, loss of soil nutrients and organic matter, less surface cover, reduced water holding capacity of soil, reduced crop yield, and excessive tillage affects the soil structure, making it more susceptible to wind and water erosion. Soil water erosion off-site effects. These are effects felt further away from the site of the disturbance, often where eroded soil is deposited. Soil water erosion off-site effects may include soil and waterway pollution from fertilizer and pesticide usage, negative impacts on wetlands, aquatic and riparian zone life that depends on clean water. Sediments can alter the flow of river channels, creating greater erosion and silting up lakes, canals, and harbors. Property and infrastructure damage as well. Soil water erosion mechanics and biophysical properties. In order for water erosion to occur, these three crucial processes must take place. These are detachment, transport, and deposition. This is a raindrop splash and impact diagram. This diagram details the trajectory of detached particle from raindrop impact on both a flat and sloped surface. These are the different forms of water erosion displayed. They are sheet erosion, rill erosion, and fully erosion. Socioeconomic and policy drivers underlying soil water erosion. Water erosion problems may be neglected due to a focus on increase in production and the fact that many costs were hidden and external and borne by society. Many examples of soil water erosion stem from encouragement of certain crops or farming practices, leading to soil degradation due to monetary constraints. These are known as perverse subsidies. Soil water erosion stakeholders. These are members of the agricultural community with vulnerable land, communities and infrastructure located in soil water erosion prone areas. Local and state governments are also at stake. Soil water erosion. What will happen if nothing is done? In a or business as usual scenario concerning soil water erosion, the following occurrences may happen: flooding, stream bank erosion and landslide, and possible infrastructure damage. Soil water erosion in agriculture in a business as usual scenario. This may lead to valuable farmland lost, loss of topsoil, loss of soil fertility, yield reduction, and possible food shortage. Soil water erosion remediation through measures and policy. These may include structural measures, vegetative measures, and management measures. Structural measures. These may include the following: terraces, stone bunds, gabions, half-moons, and ripraps. Structural measures reduce the slope steepness, thereby increasing water and nutrient infiltration and decreasing erosion. Vegetative measures. These measures may include employing some kind of vegetation to reduce water speed and increase infiltration as it flows over. Trees, shrubs, and grass strips are all examples of vegetative measures that decrease soil water erosion. Agronomic measures. These measures include everything a farmer does in his field. These procedures are repeated seasonally or annually. Land management measures. These measures have a fundamental change on land use. Examples include rotational grazing and area closure, prescribed fire, stall feeding, and compost application. Soil erosion measure implementation effects. These effects may include increased topsoil and soil fertility, leading to an increase in crop yield, protection of communities and cities from water erosion. Applications of soil-water erosion measures in a socio-economic context. In terms of the applications of soil-water erosion measures with the given monetary constraints or surpluses of the situation, the most cost-effective and sustainable option must be chosen. Functionality within a budget, overall, being the primary concern in the implementation of a soil-water erosion measure. Soil-water erosion measure implementation, inclusion and audience role. To implement these measures, the following inclusion and audience, stakeholder roles must occur. Farmers, soil experts and engineers. Data collection from farm and field. Provision of data from local governments and agencies. Suggestions and farmer-to-farmer sharing of experience. Please help us to conserve our valuable soil. Thanks for watching.